Hey guys, in this software demonstration I'm going to show you how to recover photos or pictures from your SD card. And I want to show you a really easy tool to use that will find pretty much any kind of photo type available, along with audio or video too. And so this is the software here. If you want to download a demo version of it, you can kind of follow along with me. You can download it here at softdeal.org/SD card. I also put this link under the video in the description box. If you click on it, it'll take you straight to here where you can get some more information about this. And it works for Windows as well as Mac, so regardless of which type of computer you have, it's going to work for it. And like I said here, it recovers a lot more than just photos. It also recovers images, music, and videos, and not just SD cards, but pretty much any kind of a device you have hooked up to your computer. It will scan that to find any kind of these files that can be recovered. And so what I want to do, I want to take you through and show you how this works. So it is very easy. Now, when you load the software, it's going to tell you, let me go back clear to the beginning. This is the first screen you're going to get, and if you've never used it before, you're just going to ignore these two buttons here. But what you want to do is click the big blue button, and it's going to tell you the files you have here. And that pop-up was just telling me this is the removable drive that I have, and this is a USB drive, and this is what I want to scan for images. So I click that, and what I can do, I can get down here and click scan now, and it's going to scan the entire flash drive, which could take quite a long time to do because it is about 15 gigs. But instead I'm going to go down here to advanced scan, and I'm going to select the specific types of image files that I want it to find. Now, you don't have to do this. It'll just take longer if you do have all these selected. So I'm going to unselect all these, and we'll go down and I'll just select JPEG images, and we'll say Adobe Photoshop, and we'll do PNG images too, because I have a lot of these. Okay, and once you have those selected, you can just click this next arrow here. Now, right now I forgot to tell you, there's these three options here. So if you're wanting, right now it's just going to show you the photos. So if you have images or pictures you want to recover, that's what this is. If you want to recover audio files, you click this button, and it'll show you all types of the audio files it can recover. And the same with the video button over here. If you select it, it's going to show you all that. Now, if you go back here, and if you don't go to advanced scan, instead if you just go to scan now, it's going to scan everything, so you don't have to worry about it. But just for the sake of this, I'm going to go to audio, unselect all, video, unselect all, and photo, unselect all, and it's going to make me go back and do these again. We'll just do these two here, and then I'm going to click next, and it's going to start scanning. Now, even though I'm just scanning for these two types of files, it's still going to take a long time for it to run through everything, because obviously 15 gigs is a lot of information for it to dig through for these file types. So instead of me letting it run all the way through, you can see here it's already found a bunch of images. Let me go ahead and stop it. Click yes. And here's the images so far it was able to recover. And if you click on the images, it's going to show you up here a preview of them, so you know exactly what the file is before you recover it. And so we can go down through the list and see all these images that we have and know for sure that we're going to get the file that we want. Now, this software does cost, I'm thinking it's around $39. Now, the download, you can download the free demo, which I recommend you do that first. That way you can scan whatever device it is you want to scan, and make sure that your images, your video or audio or whatever is recoverable. And then once it is, you'll go down here and click on recover, and it's going to take you, and it's going to basically tell you, well, you need to purchase it in order to recover the files, and that's when you're going to buy the software. But the software works great. Obviously I don't have a Mac, I can't really say anything about that, but I'm sure it's very similar. It's got a screenshot here of it. But if you want to try it, at least download the trial or the demo version to see if it does work for you and if it will recover your photos from your SD card or any other media you have. Just go to softdeal.org/SD card, or like I said, the video or the link is under the video. You can just click that and it'll take you to this page, and hopefully you'll be able to get those pictures back.